Healthcare is changing and the world is changing, and our future nurses need to be able to adapt to the changes that are going on in the world and the changes that are going on in healthcare.
The School of Nursing prepares nurses for entry-level practice or advanced practice as graduates of our master's programs, or as nurse scientists and researchers for graduates of our doctoral PhD program.
Here at Adelphi, we are producing nurses who can function in the 21st century.
If we look back over our history and we look at the role of the nurse then and we look at the role of the nurse now, the complexity of nursing is continuing to grow.
It is a lot harder to be a nurse today than it was when I first went out into practice.
To be a nurse in contemporary global society means to be able to integrate state-of-the-art contemporary science with the art of nursing. My experience at Adelphi as a student, as a faculty member, and as a colleague is that the strong foundation enables us to deliver very sophisticated interventions that are based on a changing clinical picture, a changing client, a changing world.
We're going to have everything translated into Spanish, and we're going to go back down there and we're going to start teaching in the summer.
One of the things that makes us strong here at Adelphi is that we have, across the board, I think one of the most diverse nursing programs that I have ever come across. As the dynamics of our population change, an Adelphi nurse is going to be there to meet the needs of the patients.
They are not looking at a patient as a diagnosis. They are looking at the patient and family as a human being, and they want to help that patient to reach his or her highest level of wellness, whatever that level of wellness for that individual may be.
You'll be fine.
Compassion is the root of nursing. Nursing comes from the word nurture. Students have to be nurtured, and students then will have compassion.
If I could make a difference in the life of one person for my career and make a difference for the better, I've done my job.
Most normally patients have a 12-lead EKG, which means there's 12 leads placed throughout the body.
Faculty here are passionate about the profession of nursing. We love it, we get it, we see the value in it. Sometimes I'll say to my class, when I wake up from anesthesia and I'm 80 years old, I want you looking at me. If they're taking care of me or the people I most love in this world, I'm going to be thinking to myself, I'm so glad there's an Adelphi graduate taking care of the person here.
I tell the students here every semester when I address them, we don't make widgets, we take care of people. If you're not here to take care of the patients, then you're really in the wrong job, because that's what it's about.
The technology using the SimMan has revolutionized the nursing education because it allows students to have a real experience before they're actually taking care of real-life patients.
I don't feel well.
What's the matter, Mr. Brody? You in pain?
It's a person, but not really a person. We let the students make mistakes and learn from them without having to worry about the consequences. They can take whatever they learn in theory, apply it to the clinical setting using the SimMan, make mistakes, correct them, and improve their nursing abilities while in a safe, non-threatening environment.
Adelphi has always kept up with the needs of the society and the culture that we represent as nurses.
Adelphi University is among the very few universities in the world to be recognized by the United Nations as an NGO or non-governmental organization. And as such, we have the opportunity to participate in the UN system in all levels. Adelphi enjoys a very unique sense of contribution to global health issues. At the United Nations, Adelphi University's School of Nursing is the go-to for anything that's related to nursing.
Our goal is to produce nurses that think multidimensionally, act multidimensionally, and think about their ability to make social changes.
We encourage them to be committed to change. We as a university are committed to change. We embrace what is going on within society and are committed to serving those needs within society.
I'm proud to be an Adelphi nurse, from undergrad to graduate to now being part of the faculty and being part of the community. It's a great place to come to school. It's a nice community, and it's home.